you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, and you have peanut butter cookies. I mean, hey, is that cool or what? So around Christmas time last year, I shared with you guys my 3-ingredient sugar cookie recipe, which is a favorite. We all know here that I do not pretend to love to bake. Anything that precise is not in my wheelhouse. I'm more of a little bit of this, a little bit of that kind of person. But I do like to make sweet treats for my friends and family, so I have to have these recipes that are go-to for me, and this 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe is one of them. So I'm not lying to you, there's only 3 ingredients. We have 1 cup of a natural peanut butter, but go ahead and pick whatever peanut butter you want. We have 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. 1, 1, and 1, and you're done. I'm being too funny right now. Okay, take it down a notch. Just excited about these peanut butter cookies. So we have 1 cup in there. We're gonna add to it 1 cup of a regular white sugar, and then we're just gonna start mixing it up with our peanut butter. As we're mixing, we're gonna add in our egg, and that's why I like this recipe. Then you just mix it all together, and you'd be surprised this comes together to form a nice dough. So you're gonna keep mixing until your dough looks like this, and then you're ready to roll it into little balls to get into your oven. So this is a great time to preheat your oven, and you're gonna start rolling your dough into little balls like this, and then place them on either a greased or nonstick cookie sheet or something like this with some paper lined over it. You're gonna want your balls to be about the same size so they cook nice and evenly, and just roll them up like this. And after you got them all rolled up into balls, you're going to take a fork and just kind of press them down a little bit, just like so. And then into your 350-degree oven they go for about 10 minutes. You're going to want to watch them because you know they are done when they are golden brown. And then you got yourself peanut butter cookies. And after that 10 minutes, you have yourself delicious peanut butter cookies. They couldn't be easier, and they're 3 ingredients. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this on every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and enjoy those peanut butter cookies. See you next time. Bye-bye.